Hey everybody, well, it's Ian here. If you're thinking about buying a Chinese diesel heater, what everybody calls them on YouTube, the Gearzar was the cheapest one I could find. I did some revamping. I took the fuel tank out of that. It did have the nice red cover, wherever I set it now. Um, and then I ran it up here and I made a heat exchanger so I could put my coffee pot on it. Ran that over and out the window. When this is down on like 2, I can reach over here and grab this, so I'm not worried about it causing any fires. After it's gone through my heat, you don't want to put your hand on that, that thing will burn you. But then I brought my fuel line over here, around here, and I have a 30-gallon drum that I just set in this old bathroom. And that heats this shop. It's got 10-foot ceilings. It's at least 24 foot wide. And it's about 30 foot long, 32 foot. So yeah, if you're thinking about getting one, I bought 2 of them of that one for $150. Then I had to buy the power supply, and I paid $25 for this one, but it's like a 30 amp, so I don't have to worry about it draining it too hard. I just bought another one for the second heater. When it was 28 degrees outside, before I installed this, it was 28 degrees outside, it kept it 59 degrees inside. And then I made this heat exchanger slash muffler, and I tell you, it knocked the volume down outside so much. I mean, I could hear this thing when I had it on full with the factory exhaust on it. I could hear it 100 yards away. I put that on it, and now you turn it up, and I can't hardly hear it in front of my shop. So yeah, it seems to work good. And at 20%, it burned about 1.25 gallons a day. And that was with me coming down for a couple hours every day and hanging out. So yeah, it keeps it fairly warm. So if you're thinking about getting one, I recommend them.